being in the community, being part of the community is what is hugely important to us. We have businesses that are members, we obviously have consumers that are members. Everything starts with them. This is the Chamber of Commerce event. I want to recognize the businesses that are here. So we've got Lola's Flowers. We have Jesse, the succulent DJ. We've got world famous tacos outside. Ruckus Balloon Supply. Isabella's Cupcakes. Y&Y Rentals. Wanted to recognize all those businesses. Thank you for supporting the community, all that you do in the community.